girl. So I done made it to HomeGoods after everything that I had planned. Y'all, I was supposed to be at HomeGoods like at 10:30. It is now 1:48. So I'm about to take these eye patches off because it's been a good 15-20 minutes that I've had them on. But I'm about to go see what HomeGoods have. I wanted some new bath towels, but if they don't have anything in here, I'm just itching to just do Amazon. Amazon never fails. So that's probably going to be my best bet. And then I wanted to look at some vases, like some nice vases. Like I'm getting into that, stop being afraid to get the large vases. And put them in like my kitchen and like my entryway. So those are some two things that I want to look at as well. Y'all, I'm starving. I am starving. So we're about to go ahead and wrap it up. Let's go see what HomeGoods have, and then we're gonna go to Salada. I just got this one. I'm gonna see if I find the leaves to go in it, so I can kind of get an idea of what it's gonna look like. Y'all, I'm not the best interior designer. I just don't. And then I got this for my dog. Like really, but I think it's cute though. Ooh, cups are cute. I'm a cup girl. I don't like that I'm a cup girl. But I already lost track of what I was supposed to be focusing on. That fast. So, oh, did I not see this aisle right here? Look at this. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. I can see this because this one is cuter than this one. What do you think? Halloween stuff out already. That is so cute. But I'm just not into decorating with Halloween stuff. But these are actually really cute. The cherries, so cute. Good though. It actually smells good. I got a base. I came here what I said I was coming to get. And these cups. Okay, I spent too much time in there. But we are off to grab a salad from Salada. It's 2:20. My kids get off the bus at 4, so we got to go. We got to go. We are back at the nail shop. The press-on era. I did my press-ons for like 2 months, but maybe my glue wasn't strong enough, or I really didn't. I don't know. My press-on era has come to an end for just now. But I want to get my nails done. Thank you. I want to get my nails done. And yeah. I was rocking some press-ons for a second, and then they just keep popping off. So I'm just like, I don't got time to be fighting with these nails. I wish they had like a little champagne cup, but this is a cute color. I just had to come get my nails done, y'all. Ain't no more popping off. Press on nails popping off. I had to. I be at work and I be like, dang, I got a nail missing. Oh, sorry. Took the kids with us. Yes, I took them looking like this. Some Amazon package. These are my kitchen organization that I was telling you guys about. I just been like ordering stuff, so I just order stuff little by little, and then that's how you know you get a pantry and refrigerator. It looks like on Pinterest and stuff. And I like something simple. We're not gonna do it. I ain't had my coffee. I just like when stuff come already assembled. Oh, I got my kids some plates, some new plates, because the plates that I got, they're just not it, and they don't have like the divided compartments. So I got it where Journey will have like 2 different colors. The boys will have one of these because I love having these in my pantry because they spin, and I love that it came with 2 different sizes. Love this for your dressing, sauces, whatever the case may be. That's what I have so far for my kitchen. This is like the drink dispenser, but I have to put this together, so I'm not doing it right now. I'm gonna show you inside of my pantry of what I've been working on. It's getting a little out of control here, so I have to, get some more organization in. I want to do some more baskets, so I'm actually gonna go look at Ross, Marshalls, and at Home Store to find some more of these little baskets. I actually like the basket look, and I want to change these out. And I bought these to use for all those sauces up there, and I actually may put some of those in baskets as well. But yeah, good morning. So it is 7:50. I try to get a little cutesy for my facial appointment. So I'm about to head out so I can have enough time to go grab me a coffee before my facial. I haven't had a facial in I don't even know how long it's been since I've had a facial, but we are headed to go get a facial. Try to get a little cute. I had a massage yesterday, so this is like, we in September 3rd, and so I just wanted to devote the first week of just self-care since I had not been able to do that maybe for this whole year almost. So definitely about to be working on more of self-care love day, so come with me to go get a facial. Okay, I done made it to my facial appointment. I don't know why I'm drinking this espresso, because I'm trying to go to sleep. Like, I'm trying to take a nap, and I just know I'm just gonna be up, but let's see. Let's see. I'm at Angelica Skin. If you don't know, I am a licensed, if y'all don't know, I am a licensed esthetician, and this is where I used to work. Best facials is here. Best facials. If you're dealing with acne, anything to correct the skin, come here. Everything is set up, ready for you. Take your time getting dressed and get comfortable on the table. I'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you. You're welcome. Is this almost over? Look at my facial. It's over there in Riverstone. It's called Woodsville. I don't know. Woodhouse. Woodhouse. Oh, yeah.
I didn't know. That was probably pretty penny.
Oh look.
And I just realized.
Was this like ready to pop or you just?
No, girl. That
see?
pretty cystic. Well, not cystic. Sorry, it has a lot of inflammation.
See, that's why they want to do extraction. With my girls. Okay, y'all. We have literally 15 minutes. In this bookstore, Barnes and Nobles. I'm looking for a cookbook. I'm looking for like 1 or 2, depending on if they're on sale, to go in my kitchen for decor and to actually learn how to cook new dishes. I know me and my children, I know I am, but I know my children want to try some new foods. Well, really, probably they really don't care, because when I do be cooking and acting like I'm slaying in the kitchen, they be like, oh, we just want a sandwich, we just want this. So I'm actually getting a cookbook for 1, decor, and 2, to cook me some new dishes. So let's see what we can find. I'm also looking for like a self-love boss bitch ass book. So let's go. Okay, no luck. I didn't see anything. Honestly, I ain't got much time because I need to get home and start working on some things. You about to drop off anyway, might as well go. Anywho, I'm just gonna look on Amazon, see what I find, because Amazon is just that girl. I don't even know why I bother going to store to store. I don't know why. But I be trying to do something different. Then going to store to go find something, we could just search on Amazon. That's what I'm gonna go do. So next stop is grab a salad and head home.